Welcome back to the Northland Beat. Today we're taking a closer look at how police departments are using video redaction software to protect sensitive evidence while keeping investigations efficient and compliant. In modern policing, video evidence is everywhere, from body-worn cameras and dash cams to interview rooms and citizen-submitted footage. But this evidence often contains sensitive information that must be protected: faces, license plates, documents, or even HIPAA-protected medical details. Redaction software helps agencies balance transparency with privacy and legal compliance. Traditionally, redacting video was slow and manual. Today, AI-powered tools make the process dramatically faster. These systems automatically detect sensitive elements like faces or license plates and track them frame by frame, ensuring complete coverage without missing a moment. What once took hours can now be done in minutes. Redaction isn't limited to video either. With transcript-based workflows, agencies can search for names, addresses, or other personal identifiers inside audio recordings, including interview room conversations or 911 calls, and remove only the sensitive portions while keeping the rest of the evidence intact. Every redacted file includes its own reports and chain of custody documentation, helping departments maintain evidentiary integrity and supporting admissibility in court. It also improves collaboration with investigators, prosecutors, and support services. And when redaction software is paired with a digital evidence management system, agencies can securely store, organize, and share files while keeping access restricted to just authorized personnel. This ensures sensitive material is protected at every step. For police departments, video redaction software isn't just a convenience. It's a crucial tool for protecting privacy, meeting legal standards, and delivering justice with accuracy and care. Thanks for watching the Northland Beat. If your agency is ready to modernize its digital evidence workflows, now is the perfect time to explore advanced redaction tools. Reach out to us today at 800-894-4204, email us at solutions@northlandsys.com, or visit us at northlandsys.com.